Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Google Pixel tab. So first open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax, so we can launch it now. Then decide that you want to get notifications and add permissions to the camera and to the files. Then click on the plus and choose the source of your document, like something from the gallery. Then click on the photo and tap on the import. Now you can add this shape to your document or your picture and click on the arrow. Then choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible for your receiver and click on the accept button. Then type the number in this place, choose the content from the list, and if you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send these documents from this list, just get your free credits or buy it and click on the send icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.